Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Forex News, where I share the latest updates on the US dollar and other currencies. Hey everyone, and welcome to your daily dose of financial news. Today, we're talking about the dollar's rise and the yen's fall, as traders await a crucial decision from the US Federal Reserve. Dollar on the rise. Imagine of dollar bill on top of other currencies. The dollar has been on a tear lately, gaining 2.1% against a basket of major currencies this month. This is its biggest monthly gain since September. So, what's driving this surge? Reasons for the rise. Several factors are contributing to the dollar's strength. Strong economic data. Recent economic data from the US has been robust, leading investors to dial back expectations of rate cuts from the Fed. Pushback from central bankers. Central bankers around the world have been pushing back against expectations of aggressive rate cuts, which has also supported the dollar. Slowdown in Australian inflation. A sharp slowdown in Australian inflation has pushed the Aussie dollar down, making the dollar relatively more attractive. Impact on other currencies. The dollar's rise is having a mixed impact on other currencies. Yen. The yen is set for its sharpest monthly drop in almost a year, as tepid wage data and cooling inflation leave room for the Bank of Japan to take its time raising rates. Euro. The euro is also down slightly, as markets await the European Central Bank's policy announcement on Thursday. Chinese yuan. The yuan has been squeezed by flight from China's crumbling equity markets, but it is holding steady today. What to watch for? There are a few key events that could impact the dollar in the coming days. US Federal Reserve meeting. The Fed is expected to hold rates steady today, but its statement will be closely scrutinized for any clues about future rate cuts. US Treasury's quarterly refunding announcement. This could provide insight into demand for US debt, which can impact the dollar. US Employment Cost Index. This report will provide data on wage growth, which is a key factor for the Fed's monetary policy decisions. Outro. So, that's the latest on the dollar's rise and the yen's fall. We'll be keeping a close eye on these developments and bringing you the latest updates. As always, thanks for watching. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investment decisions.